Hi, I wanted to go ahead and touch base, provide some instructional video for how to do some of our assignments within our course. The first assignment that we'll look at will be in the Computer Concepts, module, and we want to scroll down and take a look at Chapter 1, Living in a Digital World. Now remember, that's out of your Computer Concepts text. Our first assignment is a Chapter 1 discussion. Servers and clients. So I'm going to want you to respond to at least one time to a peer's posts. So again, basically, I might rewrite that just a little bit, but you need to write an original post and then respond to at least one of your peers' posts. Now, how do you go about doing this assignment? When we scroll back up again, we see on the left discussions. Let's go to discussions. Now, I think you'll see the same pinned discussions on your site, so I'm going to assume so. If not, these discussions should be within your site someplace. Go to Chapter 1 Discussions, Servers, Clients. Okay, what we want to do at this point in time is Chapter 1 Discussion, Servers and Clients. So in brief, 2 to 4 sentences each, respond to the following questions, and those questions are 1, 2, and 3 here. So for your initial post, remember 2 to 4 sentences each. You're probably looking at maybe 6 sentences total, perhaps. Not a whole lot, just give a good overview. That's worth 15 points. And then once there are a few posts out there, respond to at least one of your peers' posts. Now, what you're going to have to do though is post before you can see your peers' replies. The questions: what do you see as the future of wearable and embedded computers? That's from pages 6 and 7 out of your text. And look around online too. Make sure that you cite your sources. Even just a web link is absolutely fine. We don't want to get too carried away in this class. Explain the role of, and I want you to kind of compare and contrast, a server and a client. Now, your text talks about servers and clients. So think about what they are and give some examples based on your own experiences. What is a server? What's a client? And how do they work together? And how do you use them on a daily basis? Finally, what is cloud computing? And give an example you use in everyday life. So again, your text talks about cloud computing, what it is, also research on the web if you like, and then 2, 3, 4 sentences. I should restate that. You should put in 2 or 3 or 4 sentences about what is cloud computing. Okay, so you would just go ahead and click on the reply at this point, and that'll give you the area with which to start typing. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and cancel this at this point in time. Then when you're finished with that, you can go ahead and go back to your home page, and then because you started the Computer Concepts, I would suspect you can go right back to Computer Concepts. So that should cover how to complete these discussion assignments. We have the discussion, we have a let's see, we have Chapter 4 discussion, which OS is better. It follows the very same process. Okay, references pages 106 to 109. And then we have a Chapter 6 discussion. Which app do you like most? And then in this discussion, you will only post and not respond. Okay, so you'll only post your original thoughts, not respond. I'll link up this video on each one of these particular assignments, so you'll have some instruction on how to do this. So thank you very much.